Hey first graders, it's Miss Pam again. Grayson, James, and Brianna, I hope you're doing well. We are going to be having another spelling lesson to help learn our words for the week. And what I would like for you to do is get your supplies ready. So what I need you to do first is to get out your flashcards that we've been working with. And what I would like for you just to put them in your workspace. You're also going to need your tray that you do your magnetic letters on, or you can just use your table, the workspace that you have now. Some shaving cream. I bet you know what we're going to do with that. And then I want you to have the sheet that we work with at school, where we practice tracing and writing our words. Now, Miss Pam doesn't have that worksheet with me, so I made my own. But if you have that worksheet with you, go ahead and pull that out. And you will also need a pencil on hand as well. So that's a lot of material. So I'm going to let you get organized. Get your 3 cards out. And make sure you have your shaving cream in your tray, and you might want like a couple of paper towels to wipe your hands on, and your writing worksheet. So the first thing we're going to do is just have a quick little review of our words. So Miss Pam has her 3 words out on her workspace. So let's practice reading them together. The first word is pole, pole. The second word is hole. And the third word is mole. So we have pole, hole, and mole, all ending with the same sound of ole, O-L-E. Now, what I would like for you to do is Miss Pam's going to say a word, and it's going to be in no particular order, and I want to see if you can touch the correct flashcard on your workspace. All right, so the first word I want you to find is mole, mole. Did you touch the, whoops, I didn't mean to hit the camera. Did you touch this card? The one that begins with M? You did? Thumbs up, you got it right. The next word is pole. Can you point to the word pole? Did you point to this one that begins with the letter P? Good job. Now let's see if we can be a good detective and find the word hole. Hole. I found it. Did you point to this word? Good for you. All right. So what I'd like for you to do now, since we've had a quick little review, is take your flashcards and put them to the side. And now I would like for you to get your tray and your shaving cream and spray some on your tray. It just takes a little bit. Now, you do not have to participate with the shaving cream if you don't want to. Sometimes people don't like the way it feels, but you can certainly listen and follow along. So Miss Pam is going to spread her shaving cream out on her pan so that it makes a nice white area. Kind of like putting icing on a cake. That's what it kind of feels like. All right, so if you have your space ready, go ahead and wipe your hands off with a paper towel or a rag. And let's get ready to practice writing our words. Now the first word that we're going to do is, and I'm going to just put my little card right down here at the bottom. You don't have to do that. I'm just going to put it down here for you to see, is the word whole. So remember, when we make the letter H, we want to start at the very top and we just want to pull down in a nice straight line. Then we're going to go back up and make one little hump. And you have the letter H. Now, in between your letters, you might need to wipe your finger off because you get a lot of shaving cream on it and it's hard to make the letter. So after H, we have the letter O. And as you remember, it's just a simple circle going around. And now let's make our L. We always start at the top and pull down. Good job. Now, the letter E, we want to start with our finger on our tray and we want to move from left to right and make a straight line across. Go up and around to make our letter E. And look, you've spelled the word whole. Good job. All right, now let's clear our space. Okay, Miss Pam's wiping her hand off. And the next word that we're going to spell is pole. So remember, when making our letter P, we want to start at the top. So let's put our finger at the top, pull down, go up to the top again, and just pull around like that. And you have your letter P. All right, I'll let you continue and do the O and the L and the E. Remember, we're going to go straight across and around, kind of like a magic C. And I got a little shaving cream there. I'm going to kind of clear that space out. And we have the word pole. All right, good job. All right, our last word. And it might be that you have to add a little more shaving cream so you can have a nice white surface. Sometimes you have to add a little bit more. All right, our last word that we're doing is mole. I'll give you time to wipe your hands off. And let's practice our M. Now remember, with the lowercase m, we start at the top and we pull down. And then we're just going to come back up and make two humps. M. Now we want to do the next letter, which is your O. Then our L and our E. Straight across, up, and around. And you made the word mole. All right, first graders, that is fantastic. I hope you have fun using your shaving cream. Now, what I'd like for you to do is you're going to take your pan off. And now now I would like for you to get out your worksheet. Now remember, Miss Pam's is different than yours, but it's the one that we've used at school all year long, where it has the word written 2 times, and then we usually highlight it and we trace it. Now, you can either do this with me or you can do this assignment independently. But what I would like to do is go over each word one more time, and this time using our pencil and our paper, and practice writing our words. So remember, when we're making the letter P, we're going to pull down and around. And with our O, we start at the top and go around, make a circle. And L, we pull straight down. And with the E, remember, we're going across, then up and around. And that's how we write the word pole. The next word is whole. Remember, with your H, we're going to start at the top and pull down and up and around. For your O, it's just like a circle. And your L, we start up and pull down, or start at the top and pull down. The E, we go across, up and around. Whole. And our last word is M. Remember, we want to start right up here at the top, pull down, and then back up, and we're going to make 2 humps. And you know how to make your O. Go ahead and do that. And your L. And then your E, you go across and around. Mole. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed using your shaving cream and your spelling review. You may continue practice writing your words with the worksheet that Miss Kinsey had in your packet if you haven't already finished it. And I will talk to you guys soon. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.